What's up, y'all? It's me, Jayana, and it's been a while since I came out with another video. I know I've been promising on my Instagram, like, I'm gonna bring out another video, but things just be happening and don't be falling in place the right way. But here I am with another video on how to get this little, I don't know, like a princess look, I guess, but it's like gold and pink. I do not show in this video how I did my eyebrows or anything, so if you want a separate video for that, just let me know and I will get to it. So yeah, let's get right into the video. But before we do that, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure you share this video with your friends, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Bye.
Footsteps in the mud so you could follow me. And when I walked away, I left footsteps in the mud so you could follow me. You're so bad at holding water, slips right through your fingers. We both end up drowning. It would hit the ground and then the path would wash away. Wash away. And I really wanna work this out, cause I'm tired of fighting. And I really hope you still want me the way I want you. And it really feels like the shipping on autopilot. And it's a bitch you wanna be the bitch I am, but not the chick you want. Residual damage left in place of what was beautiful. Excuses only work when what we've done is still excusable. We let the truth unfold, but still cheers to being honest. Neither of us knew what we wanted, but all we knew is that we cared. All we painted was a moment. And when I walked away, I left footsteps in the mud so you could follow me. And when I walked away, I left footsteps in the mud so you could follow me. You're so bad at holding water, slips right through your fingers. We both end up drowning. It would hit the ground and then the path would wash away. Wash away.
You are a vision of perfection. In my eyes, I was caught up in a blessing. Didn't realize how it wasn't fair to compare all the things I knew that I've been through, as if you didn't have anything that you went through. I treated you like medicine, but I guess I wasn't listening. When you tried to explain that you had hurt and pain too, but as long as I felt better then, it was all good, but we wasn't good. So convinced that things were understood. Meanwhile, I had baggage to unpack, and I just had to admit that. Still dealing with the battles, feeling so inadequate. And I know that I should've stayed, but at the time it felt like I had to quit. And I know that you probably think I'm just out here thinking about myself, but you're still playing in my head to this day, talking about
you could have helped, but still cheers to being honest. Neither of us knew what we wanted, but all we knew is that we cared. Still all we painted was a moment. When I walked away, I left footsteps in the mud so you could follow me. And when I walked holding water slips right through your fingers. We both end up drowning. It would hit the ground and then the path would wash away. Wash away. Patience could have done us well, 'cause I could tell that all we lacked was presence.